Yeah. Hi, I would like to show you how to use PrioMinR real block from PrioArray sublibrary from CAS Standard library. So drag and drop it to workspace. Great. This block is extendable. It has from 1 to up to 6 channels, and it calculates the minimum from connected inputs which are enabled at the moment. And this block has no zero input, which is in PrioArray block for forcing, because we count the minimum only from connected inputs and we don't need this forcing input. And it also shows us which input is the minimal one from those 6 blocks. So let's try it. So in case that we enable one of those, for example the biggest one, 1234, like that. So we see that the open channel with the minimal value is Prio 4, channel 4. It's enabled and the value is 1234. Yes. And in case that we enabled another one, for example channel 3, so immediately we see that the lowest value is on channel 3. Then if we enable also channel 2, so the lowest value is on channel 2. If we enable channel 1, so it has higher value than channel 2, so it remains active on channel 2. If we open channel 5, so it beats all of those active channels at the moment, and the value 5 is active, and the biggest one, which is value 6, has 0 value, so it beats all of them. So we can see that right now the value is 0 and it's on the output. In case that I make it bigger, for example to 2, so it should jump immediately to channel 5, which is true. We can use it, for example, for measuring of minimum from temperature sensors. In case that the temperature sensor is not active or it's broken, so it's connected to value enable input and it's immediately disconnected. Therefore the value is on the output of this block is all the time valid. That's great, isn't it?